Wow, look at that! It's a pile of green and red muddy toys. Wadidaw! Let's check it out, guys. Wow, so muddy, guys. Let's collect them, guys, and then we'll clean them up. Wow, lots of different kind of toys. Wadidaw! Pokemon, Transformers, Rescue Bots, trucks. Video, so cool. The last one, guys, let's go. Let's start cleaning. The first one, guys, wow, it's a truck. Wadidaw, an orange monster truck, guys. Wow, so cool. Next, wow, what is that, guys? We did it! Citylink airplane, guys! Wow, it's taking off. Next, wow, Transformers, guys! Wadidaw, it's Optimus Prime, guys!
Autobot leader Optimus Prime has a message.
Wow, looks so strong. Next, wow, what is that, guys? We did it! It's Spiderman, guys! Wow, amazing, guys! Next, wow, what is that? Wadidaw, airplane again, guys! Wow, so cool! Next, wow, rescue bots, guys! Wadidaw, it's Chase, rescue bots, guys!
Chase is so by the books, he could be mistaken for a library.
Wow, he's a police officer. Next, wow, another rescue bot. We did it! Heatwave submarine mode, guys! Wow, amazing! Next, wow, rescue bots again. Wadidaw, it's Blades, rescue bots, guys!
Neurotic Copterbot Blade would be way more comfortable if he wasn't a helicopter.
Wow, so cool. Next, wow, Transformers, guys. We did it! It's Bumblebee, guys. Wow, cool transformation. Next, wow, what is that, guys? Wadidaw, Totodile Pokemon, guys! Wow, so funny, guys! Next, wow, another rescue bot, guys! Wadidaw, Heatwave, rescue bots, guys!
Appointed by Optimus Prime himself, he waved the hot-headed leader of the rescue bots.
Wow, a firefighter, guys! Alright, the last one, guys! It's a truck! We did it! A garbage truck, guys! Wow, so cool! Alrighty, guys, it's all clean now. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. See you on the next video, guys. Bye!